Hello, Plato. Yeah, hello. How are you? Yeah, I'm good, yes. And do you remember our lesson yesterday? It was all about the rooster. Remember? Yes, the rooster. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and do the coloring again. Let me just share my screen with you. And there we go. Do you remember? We've got all the colors we need to color the rooster. Okay? And let me just get my little tool here. Right. Here we go. Do you remember? Oh, little. Do you remember what color this is, Plato? Do you remember? Red. Yes, red. Always remember red. And then we have, I know you know this one. Right. Yellow. Yes, that's green. Then we have blue. Yes, blue. Black and orange. Good. Now we've got the colors red, yellow, green, blue, black, and orange. Now we look here at the picture of the rooster with all his colors. We have the rock. The rock is, what do you think the color of the rock is? Yes, black. So we go over here and we make the rock black. Watch me do this. And another one, and oops, oops, oops. And a little bit there. And we're still getting his leg going black. We don't want his leg black, do we? There we go. And I know now what I'm going to put. There we go. And we put the cross there. And we put the cross there. And we've got the rock is black. And I think there's little rocks over there. Little rocks over there. And a little rock over there. Yes. Now, let's have a look. The color of his tail. That's the rooster's tail. We need to put that color in there. What color is that, Plato? The same color as leaves. Yes, leaves, grass, and the rooster's tail. It is green. Let's go and find our green. Tell me when you think we got green. There we go. Green. Right. Let's make the tail green. And another one, and another one, another one, another one. Let's whisper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And the grass. Whisper. Remember we whispered yesterday. Right. We're whispering. Whoopsie. And we whisper. Yes. Whisper. Shh. Whisper. Getting it, getting it. Oh, there we go. There we go. One more. And grass is all colored in. You're right. Now, another easy one. What color is the sky? The sky is, I can't hear you. A little louder. Blue. Yes, there is blue. Now let's find the blue. Blue sky, where are you? I think that's blue. Shall we go? Blue. It's nearly. It's good enough. Yeah. We just color the rest of the sky in there. And one more. It's all colored in. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Now we must put the sun in. And the sun is, what color is this? This is yellow. Good. Let's go and find yellow. Yellow, yellow, where are you? No, that's green. And there's yellow. Got it. Right. Let's go. Yellow. Hello, sun. And the beak must also be yellow. There we go. Right. Oh, we need to make blue eyes. Nice blue eyes. And let's just make the picture bigger that we can color the right eyes. There we go. Boom. Done. Now we must make the picture smaller again. There you go. Plato, we need to do some more colors. What color do we need to still paint? There we go. What color is that? Remember this color? Red. Yes. Let's go find red. Red is up here. Okay, softly. That's red. That's good enough. Let's go. Red. That is his comb. And that is his front of his neck. And then we've got his chest. All done now. Right? Now we've got to go for orange. You see orange? What color? Orange. Let's go and find orange. It's not easy. That's close enough. And we'll go and paint his feathers orange. Yes. There's a pretty rooster. And his feet and legs are orange too. Yay! There's the rooster, Plato. Now, no more whisper. Let's talk loud. Very good. Very good. Okay, now that we've done all of that, what noise do roosters make? You tell me. Because I have got a video. Are you ready? And that is the sound that roosters make. Did you enjoy that? I did. I certainly enjoyed that. It's so nice to be able to paint on the computer. I will teach you how to do that one day. Plato, I had fun. I hope you had fun. We'll be back. You have a nice day.